NASA's Mars 2020 Perseverance rover is getting the lay of the land after landing on the red planet a few weeks ago. I'm Marina Jureka with NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California. I am joined by Perseverance integration lead for the helicopter, Farah Alabay. She coordinates the activities between the helicopter and the rover. And Ingenuity operations lead, Tim Canham. His job is to operate the helicopter once it's on the surface of Mars. Welcome, you guys.
Hi, Marina.
Thank you.
Now, Farah, what are the next steps for Perseverance?
We are just about getting ready for the helicopter mission here. We've passed all latest reviews and we're just finishing the checkouts of the mobility system and the arm on Mars, ready to support Ingenuity.
And Tim, you must be getting so excited for Ingenuity to stand on its own on the surface of Mars. What steps need to happen before that for you and your team?
Yes, we are definitely very excited. Right now, the helicopter is still attached to the rover, so we're keeping it warm and fed. We're charging the batteries, and we're also working with Farah's team to identify a final site for the helicopter.
Now, for both of you, there seems to be a lot of steps and preparations that go into the helicopter phase. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, for sure. Once we start the helicopter mission, the first thing that we have to do is drop the debris shield. That was the shield that protected us during entry, descent, and landing. Then we're going to travel several days to the helicopter drop-off location. Once we get there, it's actually going to take us about a week to deploy the helicopter. It's currently horizontal, and we have to go through several steps, and each one of which we want to image and have ground in the loop before we get to that very last step where we do that last separation between the rover and the helicopter and then drive away from it.
Yes, and our team is working very closely with Farah to make sure our plans are in place and all our commands are ready. And we've additionally been working with the rover team to identify the perfect site for the helicopter that should be flat with not too many big rocks on it, but also good texture so our navigation cameras can find their way across the surface.
A lot of things to look forward to. So to get the latest updates, follow at NASA Persevere on Twitter and Facebook. Take a deeper dive on the mission's website, mars.nasa.gov/perseverance, where you can also find all the raw images being sent back by the rover. And for the helicopter, visit mars.nasa.gov/technology/helicopter. Thanks so much for watching, and go Perseverance and go Ingenuity.